Here we have our new Iron Edge multi-rig. Scotty showing us the seated row options into a lat pull down, so that upper body pull, lats, rhomboids, lower traps. Now got a bit of core work, so height, low, rotational forces there, into a horizontal wood chop, and then low to high wood chop. Upper body pull again, half kneeling, single arm pull down into standing, single arm row, and then standing single arm chest press. So a bit of anti-rotational force as well as those upper body work. Cable skull crusher, obviously working triceps and anti-flexion trunk muscles. So really good one for that upper back, rear deltoid, lower traps, rhomboids. So it's cable reverse fly. And our side plank single arm row, so working that lateral trunk, lateral hip, anti-rotation muscles again. Another good option here is this loaded hip flexion through the cable attachment we've got here. So a good way to overload those hip flexor muscles. And Matisse here is showing us with the attachment the knee flexion hammy work. So load hamstring attachment. Now, one of the great perks of this kit is the Smith attachment. As you can see, Scotty's going through squat pattern into hip hinge RDL. And then one of my favorites is this loaded single leg squat / step down. Load up that quad and lateral hip of that left leg. You load up accordingly into Scotty showing us a split squat here. Good, slightly regressed version of that step down previously. Now for all the runners and physios out there, and great way of overloading those calf muscles. So gastroc, and you say single leg or double leg. And now Matisse is going to show us that seated version, which is going to really target those lower calf muscles, soleus and Achilles, with that knee bent variation. And finish off, meat and veg, wide grip pull up, superbly executed by Scotty himself.